Hello everyone, we are in the Weiss family farm sand reclaimer barn. We take all the sand out of our manure and reuse it. It sits for about 10 days and then we put it back in the stalls. We reclaim about 95% of the sand out of the manure, and I will show you kind of how it all works. So this is the end product after the washing. It's wet, but it's clean. We use all the parlor wastewater from all the wash cycles to rinse the sand and wash the sand. So here is everything. The big green thing is the washer, and at the very end with the orange things on top is the shaker. The shaker takes all most of the water out of the sand at the very end to help keep it dry. It's very important for the sand to be dry when it goes back into the barn. We're gonna go a little farther in. The big tanks on the wall is the rinse water from the parlor and gets pumped into the washer itself. And we're making our way up into the washer. So the sand barn was built in 2012. It is very reliable and consistent, and we would definitely do it again.